The Govee Car Underglow Lights offer a vibrant array of color options with over 16 million colors and 45 scene modes, ensuring your vehicle stands out on the road. These lights sync effortlessly with your music, creating a dynamic visual experience by dancing to the beat of your favorite songs, thus enhancing your driving entertainment. Installing the Govee Underglow Lights is straightforward, thanks to the extended two-wire design, which is complemented by secure mounting options such as strip backing, clips, and screws. The Govee Home app provides reliable control over the underglow lights, offering a variety of functions that make it easy to customize your car's lighting at any time. Featuring excellent water resistance, these lights are protected by a durable waterproof sleeve that makes them suitable for all weather conditions and various vehicle types like SUVs and trucks. Govee's attention to quality and user-friendly features makes these underglow lights a top choice for car enthusiasts looking to add a touch of personalization to their vehicles.